So you may be wondering what we mean by simplifying a trigonometric expression. This is not the same thing as solving a trigonometric expression because when you solve it, you're looking for x equals something or theta equals something. So you're looking for a particular value. When you are simplifying a trig expression, you are rewriting it as another expression. But this new expression is in terms of just a single trigonometric function. So you start off with a more complicated expression, and then you use trig identities as a tool to change that complicated expression to a simple, single trig expression. And that's all we're doing here. We're not going to get a final answer or a final number. We're going to get another expression that is more simple than the one we began with.